pitcher plants in Malaysia. The genus name of the pitcher plants in Malaysia is Nepenthes. The function of the pitcher plants is catch insect into the pouch and supply nitrogen to maintain soil fertility. The place that conserves the pitcher plants in Malaysia is Nepenthes Park, Taman Ekoremba TERKS, Meru Raya Ipoh Perak. The natural species of the pitcher plants that attract attention are Nepenthes ampullaria, which originating from Borneo, Peninsula Malaysia, Singapore, Sumatra, Thailand, Papua New Guinea, and Maluku Islands. This species grows on the ground and produces a bunch of flowers in the form of the carpet at the base of the tree, often covered with leaf that falls into the ground with the height up to 20 meters with the creeping trunks.
This is show the elevation distribution chart featured to show only the Nepenthes which grew in Borneo started highland to lowland.
Pitcher plants are coniferous plants that have pitcher-shaped leaves which form a passive pitfall trap. Pitcher plants have three families which are members of the family Nepenthaceae in order Caryophyllates, next members of the family Saraceniaceae in order Ericales, and lastly the western Australian pitcher plant Cephalatus follicularis, which is the only species of the family Cephalataceae in order Oxalidales.
The word Bicacarata itself derived from Latin, whereby means two, and Cacarata means spur. The two friends that we see right now is the spur, which are extension of peristem that contain nectaries. The nabative Bicacarata can be found in big swamp forests below 100 meter, but can reach up to 1,600 meter, which located in Sabah, Sarawak, and Brunei. At first, Frederick William Baptist suggests that the function of fence deter insectivorous mammal from stealing the prey inside the picture. However, Charles Clark denied this suggestion as he made an observation and found tuxedo and monkeys simply rape the picture and eat it. Thus, the function of fence is to attract the prey to fall into the picture. In addition, the Nepenthes Bicacarata have a symbiotic relationship with ants, as the plant provide home and we help to fend off any animal who try to eat the plant, as well as protect pitcher from putrefaction. The waste they leave behind after eating the prey will help to fertilize the plant along with clean the surface peristem.
Next, Nepenthes ampullaria is a little round pod-like pitcher with a narrow upstanding lip that does not cover the mouth of the pitcher. It is often found in New Guinea and the Malay Peninsula. It can grow to about 15 meters tall with a stem 1 to 1.5 centimeters thick. One example of the creatures that can be found in the bowls of Nepenthes ampullaria is the black spotted sticky frog. Nepenthes ampullaria loves mosquitoes. Mosquito larvae break down leaf debris and help transfer nitrogen from it to the plant through the excretion of ammonium ions. Nepenthes ampullaria is one of a few species in the genus to lack the specialized cells called lunate cells that make the peristom slippery and causes insects falls into its mouth. Like most Nepenthes species, the pliable stems of Nepenthes ampullaria are used opportunistically as rope. Its pod-like pitchers can conveniently be used to cook rice and are steeped to impart appetizing flavor to the rice.
Furthermore, Nepenthes arbomaginata, which most found at Borneo, Peninsula Malaysia, and Sumatra, known as the white-collar pitcher plant. It received its name from the Latin word which is albus, means that white, and marginatus means margin, referring to the white band of trichome just below the lip of the pitchers. Nepenthes arbomaginata is a canopy plant. The stem may reach a length of up to 5 meters and is up to 5 millimeters in diameter. Internals are cylindrical in cross-section and up to 15 centimeters in long. Its preferred habitat is Karangas forest. However, it has also been observed on the top vegetation of lowland peaks. It has been found on peat and limestone substrates.
Nepenthes rajam was found at two places at Sabah, which is Mount Kinabalu and Mount Tamuyo Tower. Its medicinal name is Kinabalu giant tropical pitcher plant. The size for this plant is 41 cm height and 20 cm wide. This plant has stem with 6 meters long and its leaf is the biggest among all the Nepenthes. The distance between Nepenthes valve and its peristom is equal to the length of its body. Each plant has a scallop that will secrete into the top. The function of nectar is to feed foul tracts and also to create a living cocktail of enzyme and then next, the nepenthes eat insects, but how the nepenthes raja trap the insects and also the other prey? First, nepenthes raja will produce a male or female flowers about 1 meter long. Then the blue, brown, yellow flower will emit the sweet flame to attract the insects and also the prey, such as moth, rat. Because of this nepenthes get red, some researchers call it as monkey cup genus.